Well, we're in beautiful downtown Jacksonville, and we're talking reverse mortgages today, and we want to welcome Kathy to the show. Great to be here. And she's from Flite Financial, so tell us, what are reverse mortgages?
Well, first, thanks for having me on the show, Mike. But reverse mortgages are a safe, government-insured product that allows seniors 62 and better to access some of their housing wealth and put it to work for them. If they have a current mortgage, it's going to be paid off, and there may be additional equity so they can get tax-free cash at closing, a line of credit that grows and compounds annually, a monthly income stream, or a combination of those.
Right.
And if the folks don't have a mortgage on their home, it's a great way to access some of that housing wealth to help preserve their longevity through retirement.
Okay, and how would somebody qualify for this?
Well, the qualifications are very easy because this is a senior's loan. So it needs to be on your primary residence. One borrower does have to be 62 or better. Its income and credit requirements are very easy. Most people qualify with just Social Security income, and poor credit is often not a problem. You should have about 30 to 60% equity, depending on the age of the youngest borrower.
Okay, and how have reverse mortgages changed over the years?
Oh, over the years, it's been quite a journey, but now we have what we call the new reverse mortgage.
Okay.
And that's because many of the problems and the myths that still perpetuate have been dealt with. Like, I have people who say, if I do a reverse mortgage, the bank owns my home, but that's just not true. The bank doesn't own your home.
Okay.
And it's a non-recourse loan, so there's no debt to the heirs or to your estate.
And what have you found the reason people choose to have a reverse mortgage?
Well, many of my clients choose it because they want to eliminate their monthly mortgage payment. That's usually the largest outgo for folks every month. And if they can eliminate that principal and interest payment, immediately cash flow improves. Now, they still have to pay property taxes, homeowners insurance, HOA if they have it, maintain the home like any homeowner. But just eliminating that payment is great. It's also used strategically by folks who are quite well off, but they want to have a tax-free bucket of funds that they can use to help their other assets grow.
Okay, and how does Flite Financial separate itself from the others?
Well, we have a lot of experience. You know, any licensed loan officer can try to do a reverse mortgage, but it really takes experience to do it well and quickly. And we have that. We've helped hundreds and hundreds of seniors.
Very good. And let's hear from one of the clients to see what they say.
Kathy Muni came to our house within a day or so after we called her, and we began exploring whether or not a reverse mortgage would in fact be a good a thing for us to do. She was diligent in providing us with the information we needed and making sure that we gave her the information that she needed to proceed with what ended up being a really sound business decision for ourselves. Now that the mortgage has been in effect, we notice that we're a lot more relaxed, a lot happier, and I think we're going to enjoy the rest of our lives as we move on. So we're really glad we called Kathy.
And after hearing that, how does that make you feel?
Oh, it makes me feel so great. We have been able to help, as I said, hundreds of seniors to improve their situation in retirement, and it's been a pleasure.
Okay, and for folks, how do they get a hold of you to learn more?
They can call us at 352-356-5343 or visit our website, tffreverse.com. A reverse mortgage may be the right option for you. If you'd like more information and a no-pressure, no-obligation consult, call today. Our motto is, we educate, you decide. We've helped hundreds of seniors better their position in retirement, and we have an A+ rating by the Better Business Bureau and great reviews on Google.
All right, all the information on your screen, and of course head to our website, and that's firstcoastliving.net.